Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning about the 10 most commonly used conjunctions. Let's get started. So,
Jadi,
I was tired, so I slept.
saya penat, jadi saya tidur.
Also,
Juga,
I like tea. I also like coffee.
saya suka teh, saya juga suka kopi.
Finally,
Akhirnya,
finally, I found it.
akhirnya, saya jumpanya.
Anyway,
Apa-apa pun.
anyway, let's go.
Apa-apa pun, mari kita pergi.
Before,
Sebelum,
wash your hands before dinner.
basuh tangan anda sebelum makan malam.
After,
Selepas,
we can play football after school.
kita boleh bermain bola sepak selepas sekolah.
As soon as,
Sebaik sahaja.
call me as soon as you arrive.
Hubungi saya sebaik sahaja anda sampai.
As long as,
Seberapa lama?
you can stay, as long as you want.
Anda boleh tinggal seberapa lama yang anda mahu.
Even if,
Walaupun,
I will go even if it rains.
saya akan pergi walaupun hujan.
Actually,
Sebenarnya,
actually, I don't know.
sebenarnya, saya tidak tahu.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.